So this question appeared in GATE 1994. Given phi which is equal to x square minus yz delta phi at a point 3, 4, 1, comma 1 will be. So this is a direct question. So they have given you a function, they have asked you to evaluate delta phi at a given point. So what are all the answers given? J minus 4k cap So we evaluated. So what we need to find? Del phi. What is that equal to? What is that equal to? 3x square. So here they are using a notation instead of x cap, y cap, z cap, they are using I, j, k. So 3x square I cap. Correct? So what is that? Sorry. 2x I cap minus z j cap minus y k cap. So we need to find delta phi at the point 3, 4, comma 1. So what will this be equal to? So x is 3, y is 4, z is 1. So this is 6i cap minus 4j minus, is it minus 4j? No, j minus 4k. So what is the answer? B is the answer. So the next question, so it has come in GATE 2002. The unit vector normal to the surface three x square plus 4y equal to z at the point 1, 1, 7 is. So the answers given are 6I cap plus 4j minus k divided by square root of 53. 4I cap plus 6j plus so what we need to evaluate? Here again you need to evaluate gradient of phi. But what is being asked? We need to find unit vector normal to the surface. So as we saw in the definition, gradient of the given function represents normal to the surface. If you want to find the unit vector, what you should do? What you should do in this case? So the normal vector to the surface given is n cap. The normal unit vector will be gradient of phi. So here again you see they have it's directly not given, so fine. So what do you need to do? You need to normalize the result which you are getting. So this is the definition of normal vector. So what do you need to find? You need to find grade phi at first, gradient of phi, and then calculate and then substitute. We want to find it, evaluate it at the point 117 and find it, and then you take the normalization factor, you divide by that, then you will get the unit vector normal to the surface, which is 3x square plus 4y minus z equal to 0. So what is gradient of phi? Equal to the given problem, it is 6x x cap plus 4 y cap. Okay, so they are using ijk, 6x I cap j 4j cap minus k cap. Correct? So already from the answers given, fortunately, so can you make any guess? See, so already partly you can make a guess because there is only one answer with 4j minus k. So, but anyway, so what is gradient of phi evaluated at 1, 1, 7. So there is only one term, so that gives you 6I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. So already the answer is there. But what do you want to find? You want to find the normalized factor. So here they have not given you vectors normalized or normalized, then that answer would have confused you. Here it is easier for you to choose this answer even without evaluating gradient modulus of the gradient phi. But you can verify for yourself what is modulus of gradient phi. What is modulus of grade phi equal to? At this point if you evaluate, what will that be equal to? Square root of 36 plus 16 plus 1. So that is square root of 53. So that is the answer. So first case we just evaluated gradient of phi. So now we have find a normalized unit vector normal to the surface. Now we have a third type. So this question had appeared in 2004. For the function phi, which is x square y plus xy, the value of modulus of gradient of phi at x equal to y equal to 1 is. So how many scalar variables now we have? So function of how many variables? 2 variables. So what will the answers given? 5 square root of 5, 13 times square root of 13. So what we need to evaluate at first? Gradient of phi. What is that equal to? What will you get? So what is gradient of phi? So you have two terms which are functions of x. So you have 2xy plus y into x cap, correct? Yes. So what are the given function? X square y plus xy. There are two terms with x. So what will you, if you find derivative with respect to x, what will you get? You will get 2xy plus y. What will be the second term? So you will get x square, keeping x constant, you have to take derivative with respect to y. So dou phi by dou y, what will that be equal to? X square plus x into y cap. Correct? Yes? Okay. So where we need to evaluate? We need to evaluate grade phi at 1, 1. So what will that give you? What will that give you? 3x cap plus 2 y cap.